Hai khazani takuk tai buhuk song tai jotono no lamsogo o Kokborok mix channel dinini video belai ke helpful ba belai ke informative ngnai Jiu users rong ni bagi tai Jiu ni Kokborok to norok khana kana Jiu tabuk search khlaisinai bui by call khlai ke search khlaisinai hni announcement norok khana kana tai abo ni tui norok ka hamke bujia ngi tongi mano amon bagi o video bujiang tongke pulan simi paithak jora naidi belai ke informative norok ka hamke poriskar ke bujinai tamni hingke o video Kokborok by slamjak Kokborok sanai rok kaham ke bujiwan hनै ang khaklayo faide hingke o video no chenglai ang sungkhnaka Jiu rok tabuk call khlai ke charge khlaina hनै tai free inglia amte hini sungkhnao belai ke tamo abo free khlaimang ta ke charge ang sinai hनै wanama hai inglaikha Jiu charge nana nangma karon hangke try telecom Regulatory Authority of India borok ICU interconnect uses charge abo charge khlayo 6 bytes per minute amon bagi Jiu bo tabuk interconnect uses charge ma khlainai 6 bytes per minute hni borok bo announcement khlaika tangi borok charge nana nangkhangke agi ni simi je Jiu free rui phaimani tabuk suk joratoi Jiu rokni 13,000 crores loss ongkha abono note khlaidi 13,000 crores loss ongkha hni borok announce khlaika Jiu rok tai hai borok abono free no ton khumu actually haipuno try rok ICU interconnect uses charge rok borok 2020 jora abo free khlai risnai 2020 wo hangke abono charge khlailia hni tongmani hai extend khlaika extend khlaitlangkha abono charge khlaipinai hni try rok charge khlaipinai hni borok announce khlaima bagi Jiu already 13,000 crores loss ma bagi borok abono tai bear khlaimalia all loss no 13,000 crores already lost thangma bagi ICU at least interconnect uses charge no borok charge khlainani hni wansuka abo hangke 6 bytes per minute actually as a huge amount dia 6 bytes per minute bo jaga charge khlaijaknai Jiu to Jiu hangke sungsaimano borok announce khlaika totally free lifetime hni borok announce khlaio Jiu to Jiu hangke borok charge khlaia tai haipuno Jiu to Airtel Aircell Vodafone tai alka operator rogo hangke borok charge marna sinai tamni hangke alka operator ro hangke borok 6 bytes per minute tanjago ba maru amon bagui already bongni 13,000 crores loss ma bagui borok o rang no bear khlaimalia at least alka operator by ICU interconnect uses charge khlaipuru 6 bytes per minute abo rules tomaba abo simipuno borok charge khlaisine hनै borok charge khlainani bagui announcement khlaika tamni hingka already borok ni free agin simi rui phaimani 13,000 crores loss ongkha note khlaidi abo 13,000 crores loss ongkha hनै borok announce khlai amon bagui Jiu to Jiu hingke to abo totally free lifetime free hनै borok announce khlaio it's very happy for us belaike kaham Jiu to Jiu hingke nini Jiu ani Jiu hingke abo nang je jaga phuno Jiu hingke call khlai tongdi abo borok charge naya haipuno Jiu by alka Airtel Aircell alka operator hingke borok charge nanai hni sau tamni hingke borok abo loss no bear khlai malia tai hai charge bomti khenanai tabuk norok ni Jiu recharge khlaijak tongui mano Jiu recharge khlaijak tongui nongni validity November December ro phuno pai mano haipuno obo effect ongkha 10 October ni simi so 10 October ni simi effect ongkha hangke ani to expiry date November December ro sipainai hangke ani boda charge ngi thangnai amtui hni doubt ngi tongui mano so amtui one sugi tongke it's not like that norok agi charge recharge khlaijak validity November December ro paina tongke abo tabuk deduction englak 10 October ni simi se abo process khlaijak amon bagi 10 October ni sikang norok recharge khlaijak ba November December phuno expiry date ba nongni expired ngi mano o package sangke norok ni free no tongranai jefru next new recharge ketal recharge khlaifrun simi se obo norok ni afru se abo charge khlaijaknai so no need to worry agi recharge khlaijak November December ro expiry tongkhungke abo charge khlaijak lak next new recharge ni simi se abo effect ngai nai norok ni ani bo amtuino ani November ro recharge date expiry date paina tongo ang abo alka operator no call khlaipuno free ku haipuno next new recharge ni fru simi hingke next new research khlaifrun simingke abo 6 bytes per minute charge khlaijak sinai jodi no 6 bytes per minute like borok ni abo 10 rupees 20 rupees 30 rupees 50 rupees amtui hai top up voucher tongo abo recharge khlaya hangke nini Jio to Jio ke free no thangranai hai pono alka operator ke norok call khlai makla next new recharge ni pore amon bagi jodi no alka operator ro call khlaina hangke norok top up recharge mak khlainai of interconnect usage charge ni abo 10 rupees 20 rupees abo tongo Jio plan tongo abo recharge khlai norok call khlai mano kha khlaio norok buji khna hanai Jio by Jio it's totally free but alka operator by hingke abo free inglia that is actually Jio abo khlaima klaya telecom regulatory of authority of India abo borok charge nai tongma bagai Jio bo agi je use ba rui tongmani loss thama bagai borok abono bear khlaimaya bagai at least abo phuno borok bear khlaimani bagai borok abono charge khlaisinai hnai abono effect khlaka tai han hai sanamu sungo Jio abo khlaio mane alka operator bo khlaigla khani ta wansukdi alka operator bo khlainai borok bo khlainai tamni bagai tangi borok nei loss ngi tongnai ba borok bo abo o interconnect usage charge khlainai naitong di norok tabuk free Airtel ba je kono Vodafone rok free rui tongkhe borok bo haino hai Jio tabuk abo charge khlaika ba borok bo haino hai charge khlainai abo that is confirm ta wansukdi je Jio abo charge khlaika alka operator rok khlaigla khanai tamni hingke abo rules sitongo borok bo tamni bagi loss thangna ba Jio to already loss thangkuno borok to bumung kakha angkukha loss thangkuno je thangman thangka tabuk tai khlailia haipono Jio by Jio ke abo free no abo ke announce khlaika borok tai ta wansukdi Jio abo chalia alka operator nawan hnai alka sim nawan hnai ta wansukdi sujakok borok bo charge khlainai abo rules se kha khlaio norok o video belai informative ba belai helpful ungja khana hnai agi je khana mani bujia ang tongmani buji khana hnai ang kha khlaio tai o video no norok chajakhe like runani tapongdi tai hai o channel no norok subscribe khlaya kongke o channel no subscribe khlai ruwi bell icon no siniludi tamni hingke jefru omti hai naithotok videos ba helpful video o channel o upload khlaijago afruno norok notification manang tai hai o video ba hai ingjakha norok helpful da ingjakha comment box o comment khlainani tapokdi tamni hingke comment box norok ni bagino tai hai o video no ang agi rogo request khlaya share khlaina hnai o video no anyhow norok share khlaidi tamni hingke sini kokborok sanai borok bujia phunongui tongmano amon bagai je norok social media Facebook WhatsApp je kuno social media rok apps rok use khlaima jaga share khlaidi tamni hingke sini kokborok sanai rok borok bo kahamke buji thung norok buji ma haike tinin bagai asungni ingsitung jotono no Hambai.